We'll guide you through how to start a space on X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start a space on X, open Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Tap the search box at the browser, type X, and press Enter to navigate to the X website. From your search results, click the official X website link to make sure you are at the correct place. Once on the homepage, click Sign Up with Google for a quick and easy login. Select a Google account from the list that you want to use with X. Scroll down on the account information page and click Continue to move forward. Enter your birth date by choosing the month, day, and year from the drop-down menus. Read through the terms and conditions carefully, then click Sign Up to create your account. Pick a username that you like or create your own unique username. Click Next to confirm and lock in your chosen username. When X asks about notifications, click Skip for now to bypass that section. Choose your preferred language from the menu and click Next to continue. Go through the available topics and interests and select the ones you want appearing on your X feed. Click Next to store and confirm all your interest selections. Follow at least one account to properly finish setting up your profile. Click Next to complete the entire setup process. Click the More button, represented by 3 dots, on the left side menu. Click Create Your Space to start setting up a new space. Click the Who Can Speak button to control access settings. Make sure it is set to only people you invite to speak, so you control who participates. Click the title text box to add a name for your space. Type your space title. Check the Record Space toggle and make sure it is turned off if you do not want to record audio. Click Start Now to launch your space and begin hosting. Click Allow this time to give X permission to access your microphone. Click Got It on the Space menu. Your space has been successfully started, and you can now talk and engage with invited guests. When ready to end, click the End button in the top right corner. Click Yes, and to verify you want to close the space. Your space has been successfully ended.